quick, I'm going to show you how to get RX Izotope RX, and I have Izotope RX 5, but this should work with every single one of the isotopes. And it drove me crazy because the plugins, even though they're wonderful, they don't do such a good job as when you can actually edit the file. So here I have a narration file that I did, and it was driving me bonkers that I couldn't do the more intricate things. So I'm going to come over here to Logic Pro, and I'm going to, and here's how you do it. It's so awesome. Okay, preferences, advanced tools. Okay, now I'm going to pull this over. Okay, now you have to have audio enabled, right? And then you're going to come up here to audio. Oops. And you have to make sure that your external sample editor is pointing to Izotope RX5. Now, don't worry if you've got something else in there, it's easy to delete it. And if you click on there, it'll take you directly to your applications folder so you can pick it out. Not a big deal. Once you've selected it, okay, then you can go to Edit, and there it is. Open an Izotope RX5 audio editor. This is epic. And then it opens it. And there it is. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Love it. So cool. Okay. One other thing is when you need to do your, if you're doing audio and you're doing narration like I am, you have to listen to 45 minutes per chapter. I mean, that takes a long time. So if you want to speed it up, there's a way to do it. So I'm going to show you how to turn on Varispeed, which is very important. So we're going to come here. We're going to make sure we select custom, okay? Custom, all right? And then when you do that, you can look at the customized control bar. Now, if you don't have custom on right here, if you just have beats and project, you see how this is all grayed out? Not cool. We need it to be on custom. Then you can change this stuff, and you want Varispeed on. And then you can turn this to like 40% and it'll play back. Oh, okay, and then you can turn it back down to 0 without worrying about everything getting totally screwed up. So yay, this is the way you do it. God bless. I think I had escape. Oh.